The Ultimate Website by DIT Web Solutions, Inc. Every day, we see cheaply made websites that don't do anything. They have broken links, improper copy, poor programming, and just don't convert, meaning traffic goes to the website, but no action is taken afterward. DIT Web Solutions has reverse engineered exactly what is required to make the ultimate website. This new refined approach consists of a diagnostic web scan that will reveal if your site has programming issues and/or broken links, in addition to determining its online ranking, if it is mobile friendly, and if it passes the speed loading test, as well as many other things. The next step is to fix any X marks your scan revealed. One of our programmers will fix anything not to code. An analysis of your copy will reveal, is it written for search engines? Is it written for the end user, your prospects? Concise, clear copy is extremely important for every website. Next up is the marketing of your site. Does your site have any surveyed hot buttons throughout it? A hot button is a technical term that comes from surveys. It is the most common answer to a survey question. Most companies guess at the buttons or use stale, overused buttons like, in business since 1995, free estimates, family-run business. These are all fine, but they may not be surveyed hot buttons that will put people over the edge to call you or fill out a form on your website. Does your company have any positioning in the marketplace? Positioning, how you relate the familiar with the unfamiliar. You can position with something, above something, or below something. This is powerful technology. With proper surveys, one can find out how to position your company or services. As an example, Avis once repositioned themselves slightly below their competitor by launching their new position. We are number 2. We try harder. Their market share went from 11% to 35% in 4 years once they discovered their position. This came about because of market research. Our team will conduct needs and wants surveys in your city to establish the hot buttons relative to your services, and then a positioning survey to properly position you. Once this is isolated, our experienced designers will employ this powerful information and visually communicate this into your website and brochures. Our copywriters will rewrite your website for the search engines and your prospects, utilizing the market research buttons and new positioning isolated for your company. The next step to work out for your website is a unique selling proposition. Does your company have one? And is it being communicated clearly on your website? An example of this is M&M's, whose tagline is, "They melt in your mouth, not in your hands." This helped sell millions of candies for the company. Our team will help pin down your USP with additional market research as needed. A competitor analysis of your top 5 or 10 online competitors is many times in order. This will reveal their strategies, what buttons they are pushing, what key phrases they rank for, what positions they own or don't own. At a minimum, this will provide a base digital marketing strategy for you after your site is built. It will also reveal which buttons and positions are available for you to use, and which will assist in determining the best marketing strategy for your company. The next step is to build or rebuild your website properly for maximum results and conversions. An aggressive SEO campaign, using all of the previous research, is next, which will help you dominate your online searches. Using market analysis and research, we will create Google ads for real leads. Last but not least is an aggressive social media campaign to further brand your company. Call us to assess to conduct a free analysis of your website. DIT Web Solutions. 2 locations in Toronto, Canada, servicing all of Canada, the US, and Europe with real websites that produce real leads.